This login UI looks like a real product design, but it's built using only HTML and CSS. Let's build step by step. Let's start with the HTML. First, we create the particles for background. Next, we create the container that will hold the login form. Inside that, we add a title, 2 input fields, and a button. Now, let's work on the background. Instead of using a plain color, we use an illustration style background image. This gives depth and makes the UI more visually appealing. Then we add a dark overlay on top. This is very important because it improves readability and focus. Now I am going to animate the background particles. Now comes the main part, the glass effect. We use a semi-transparent background and apply a blur using backdrop filter. We also add a thin border and subtle shadow to make the card stand out from the background. Next, we style the input fields. We use rounded corners and soft background colors. Then we add a focus effect, so when the user clicks on the input, it glows slightly. Now let's design the button. Instead of a plain color, we use a gradient background. Then we animate the gradient so it slowly moves over time. To make the UI feel alive, we add small animations. For example, floating particles in the background and a hover effect on the button. And here's the final result. Clean, modern and responsive, built using only HTML and CSS. You can use this design in your own project or customize it further. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. More UI designs coming soon.